Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In this video you will see in which direction the price of Ethereum has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and MACD are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Taking a look at the hourly time frame for Ethereum, it can be seen that the price went down with around 2.2% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $11.82. However, the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 200 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 11.45, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 12.02 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Moving to the hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 12.06. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Jumping to the hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. But it's expected for the price to remain the same for some time because the MACD histogram shows that the momentum at the moment is shifting upwards. You should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 11.73, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 12.19 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. For longer price development, the daily time frames should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is now in the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should see if the ribbon could hold support, currently at around 11.76. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the support should be considered. Moving to the 3-hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong, and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 11.47, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 14.56 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the daily ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 15.13. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the resistance should be considered. Jumping to the daily MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. But according to the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is going down. Owing to this, we can expect the price to remain stable, and you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be a downward trend. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.